My name is BenLee. I'm the president and CEO of Nabas Group, Inc. We manufacture and IP owner of Nabas technology. Nabas stands for Nano Air Bubble Aeration System. What you see behind me is one of 15 models we have. This model does 15 tons per hour, which is 660 gallons per minute. We have one that does 6,600 gallons per minute as well. This unit has oxygen generator. They're 8 liters per minute each and 30 gram ozone generator. They're 60. We could get them in one 60 gram or we can do two 30 gram. We do this for redundancy. What you see here is an intake pump and a mixer. That mixer is our patent IP. Everything is third party except that one. We make those. The motor, the intake pump, the oxygen generator, ozone generator are third party components we put together. And the controls, air or oxygen or ozone. You have a choice. The operator has a choice to operate what kind of gas they want to put in. What makes Nabas so different is the amount of gas we can put in without escaping out of water. We make bubbles that are 5 microns, about 95% or more are 5% micron, which means they actually sink in the water rather than rising. Allows them to implode from the pressure of water, hence releasing the gas. Most technology, ozone infusion technology, as soon as you turn it on in the water, you smell the ozone escapement. For Nabas, you don't smell any unless the water itself saturated with ozone. Our greatest achievement is creation of hydroxyl radicals. Hydroxyl radicals combined with the nano ozone has a resident time and implodes like time capsule for the next 3 days after stopping the operation of Nabas treatment of the water. Presently, we're treating the lake with cyanobacteria. We can also do any contaminated water. But I should point out, not one single technology is a solution for all water solutions. We are like the Intel of computers. We do the core processing. Like the Dell, who is a computer company, we need water services company who will decide on, for example, like Dell will decide on the sound card, the video card, monitor, keyboard. We need water service company to utilize this tool, this technology, in conjunction with other technologies. We are always seeking partnership to improve water quality. We're not a sole company that claims to have a solution. But I have to say, our core competence is delivering gas in water. And the application of that is immense. From drinking water we're doing in Peru, we're actually doing 16 cities. We're slated to do 100 cities in Peru. We're also doing the lake remediation in Ohio in 2 weeks. We're doing wastewater, agriculture, aqua farms. Anything that's related to water, we're able to assist in its fulfillment of the goals that water treats. These are the bubbles that's coming out of Nabas system right now. These bubbles, as you can see, are spreading inside the water and then are rising. The air thing that's not a bubble, that's just air flow from the hose. So these bubbles spread like milk in a coffee and they stay in the water and they implode from the pressure of water. So the none of the gas that gets mixed in with these tiny 5 micron bubbles escape out of water. So the efficacy is 95% or more, which is really unheard of. The present standard is no more than 25%. This also allows us to address very shallow waters. Because bubbles are so small, we could do 10-inch water treated, whereas present technology is unable to, because bubbles are too big and they need a water column height for their bubble to implode inside the water. Another interesting about our technology is that we only need to do a 1 turnover of water, where other technologies require 4 or 5 times of turnover. So we don't need as much water flow as other companies because they have it for turnover ratios they need to accomplish what they want to accomplish. So we say we have 95% efficacy. The other companies say they have a 95% efficacy. We're both true. Question is, how quickly and how effective are we doing it? We do it once, they do have to do it 5 times to get to 90-95%.